Hi, welcome to Cooking with the Homegirls. I'm Carolyn, this is Stacy, and we are a real estate team located in Santa Clarita Valley, just north of Los Angeles.
We are very busy working moms, and we wanted to share with you a really easy recipe from our cookbook.
An Irish Ruben sandwich. So we have already pre-cooked the corned beef brisket, and then we're gonna start with the preparation.
So this is a great family recipe. It's quick and easy. Kids love it. It's also great for your St. Patty's Day hangover too, if you need it the next day. This recipe serves 4 to 6 people. You are going to need about 2 to 3 pounds of corned beef brisket, 3/4 cup mayo, a 1/4 cup chili sauce, ketchup or cocktail sauce, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, a 1/4 cup sweet pickle relish, tablespoon capers, 1 clove of garlic, a tablespoon of chopped fresh chives, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, 8 to 12 slices of dill rye, marbled rye, or dark rye bread, 6 to 8 slices of Swiss cheese, 2 cups sauerkraut, and dill pickles.
The first thing you want to do is place your brisket in a large Dutch oven or crock pot. Add the spice packet, cover with water, bring to a boil and then reduce to a simmer, and you want to cook for about 45 minutes per pound or until the meat is tender. When the corned beef is done, remove it from the pot and let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing. Then when you're slicing, you want to slice it across the grain.
Okay, so we are putting together the sauce for the sandwiches, and it's going to be very similar to a Thousand Island sauce. We want to whisk together the mayo. We chose ketchup, but you could use chili sauce or cocktail sauce. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
All right, and then we're gonna add the relish.
Capers.
All right, capers, which I love. I love capers. I like that it has that in it.
Garlic.
Wait, can I put this first?
Yeah, you can. Chives.
Chives and the Worcestershire sauce.
The Worcestershire sauce.
Which we love to try and say.
Carolyn's using her muscles right now with the garlic. Come on, Carolyn. You can take off padlocks. This should be nothing. All right, great. And then we're gonna whisk it together. And see, it actually resembles a Thousand Island sauce.
Yeah.
A few more ingredients. And it's already smelling amazing.
Yeah, it does.
We are gonna butter each side of our bread. So you're gonna put Swiss cheese, corned beef, then throw some sauerkraut on top. All right, and then you're gonna put a big layer of the sauce on the other slices of bread. 1 to 2 tablespoons. Looks delicious.
Yes.
We wish you could smell this because it smells amazing.
We need smell-o-vision. I always like dill rye bread. I know this is a rye bread, but it always reminds me of my grandma. My grandma used to always have dill rye bread. Yeah.
Oh, we like the sizzle.
The cheese going all over.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Now I'm really hungry.
As soon as that crisps up, then we will slice it and get ready for the taste test. So now it is the taste test.
We're ready to taste.
It smells amazing.
I don't usually eat sauerkraut, but let's see. Oh yeah.
It's really good.
Actually really good.
We recommend this 100%. Please try out the recipe.
It was super easy.
We are not only great chefs, but we're great real estate agents, and we're here to help you and answer any questions that you guys have. Thank you so much for joining us today. Just remember, you can follow us on all of our social media accounts at kwHOMEgirls.
Check out the links below.
Bye.